G'day, Ian Castle here, your Aussie vocal coach, and welcome to the daily vocal exercises for beginners routine. This set of exercises, as the title suggests, is for beginner singers. You'll be working on 5 fundamental aspects of singing: breathing, forward resonance, moving pitch, discovering your range, and developing your vocal range. If you enjoy the routine, consider supporting my work via a donation using the link below. Stay relaxed, have some water between exercises, and have some fun. Let's begin. Exercise 1, breathing. This exercise will activate your diaphragm. Take a relaxed breath through your nose, then exhale with 4 short hisses, followed by a long hiss. Here's a demonstration. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Okay, let's try it together. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Relax. 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 Okay, one last time. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Exercise 2. Forward resonance. You should try to develop a forward tone placement when you sing. This is sometimes called singing into the mask. We will sustain an followed by a release into the R vowel. Let your jaw relax and drop as you sing the vowel. I will demonstrate it for you. Let's try it together. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Exercise 3. Moving pitch. This exercise is a short scale to help you with pitch targeting. Take a relaxed breath in, Use your mask resonance and enjoy singing up and down the scale. I will sing first, then you can copy me. 2, 3, 4. Ma, mi, ma. 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 2, 3, 4. Okay, one last time. Ma, mi, ma. 2, 3, 4. Exercise 4. Discovering your range. This exercise is called an arpeggio. There is a leap between each note. The sound we will use for this exercise is called a lip trill, like this. You can also use a tongue trill, like this. These sounds are great for accessing your higher notes. I will do the exercise, then you copy me. Okay, one last time. Exercise 5. Developing your range. This exercise features the same arpeggio as exercise 4. However, this time we will be singing la instead of the lip or tongue trill. Take a relaxed breath in through your nose, let your jaw drop, and maintain a forward tongue position as you sing up and down your range. I will sing first, then you can copy. Ya, 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 ya. Keep your tone forward. Ya, 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 ya. Let your air do all of the work. Ya, ya, energy as you sing higher.
Ya, 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 ya.
Don't push on the top notes.
Ya, 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 ya.
Keep an open sensation in your throat.
Ya, 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 ya.
Relax and enjoy your higher notes.
Ya, 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 ya.
Okay, here's the last one.
Ya, 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 ya.
If you do these exercises daily, your singing will improve and you will develop a solid vocal technique that will allow you to advance to more challenging exercises and vocal workouts. If you enjoyed the video and would like to see some more, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.